the way, the name of the hotel is Hotel Sun Royal. This is the room, obviously quite small. My bed right here. Put all my stuff over there. Got not so much of a view. It's really building. More building. But I have to say the hotel is pretty comfortable. Every morning we have breakfast at 7 to 9. But this hotel is pretty small and pretty quiet at the moment. Not a whole lot of foreign tourists. I don't see many people in the cafeteria. So let's go outside and then we'll talk some more. So this is the bathroom right here. Nothing too exciting. You got the tub, pretty clean, quite small, but it's functional. And TV. And then we have mirror right here. Hello. And we got a little space to put my jacket and stuff. So like I said, the staff's pretty nice. There's nobody around. This whole floor is reserved for myself. Someone's room. And then this room is empty. This room is empty. Everything is empty. So I'm the only person here. In this floor at least. So, since I have to do laundry here, I just bought this from the front desk, 50 cents. And then I have to do my laundry on this side. I don't know if you can see, quite dark. But we got the washer and we got the dryer. So I mean, it has everything I need for the 14 days quarantine. And this is a washoku, Japanese style breakfast. What we have this morning is fried rice, meatball, spaghetti, salad with Thousand Island dressing, tofu or fish cake, I'm not even sure, potato salad, and egg. I wish that's a deviled egg, but that will do. Miso soup, orange juice, and as always, this food is very tasty. I've had this meatball before, and they're good, but I've never tried this fried rice. So I'm gonna see what is this about. Not bad. Not bad. So I think they put little pieces of beef. Got little pieces of beef. Some maybe it's not fried rice. I'm not sure what kind of rice this is actually, but it's very good. It's very tasty. And the miso soup, obviously, has a lot of stuff: carrot, daikon, tofu, shiitake mushroom, onion, which is great. Potato salad, always good. And this fish cake or tofu. This one is tofu. This one is fish cake. Tofu. Let's try it here. Okay. Sweet. Very good. Another morning, another breakfast. I am looking forward to this breakfast every single day. So today's menu, the same thing. This is Japanese breakfast, washoku. We have rice. We have miso soup, orange juice. I am not sure what this is, but it's not very tasty. We got the gobo roots with egg. I'm not sure what this is. Seems like some sort of a hamburger steak with some veggie, maybe some tomato sauce, pasta, and salad. Let's give it a shot. So obviously this is the pasta. Very nice. Sweet, sour. I think the taste is like Filipino style spaghetti, which is very good. I really like Filipino style spaghetti. And then this thing is like a chicken, seems like. This is white inside. I'm not sure. Maybe this is ground chicken. Okay. It's nice. The sauce is very similar to the spaghetti sauce. Very good. Very good. Okay guys, another breakfast. 2 more days till I'm out of quarantine. So today's breakfast, and I'm looking forward to this every single morning. We got rice, orange juice, miso soup. I would think this is probably chicken katsu or pork katsu, and salad and some kind of veggie. This one I'm not too fond with because it's a bit fishy, and I don't know, it's just sweet and fishy, so I don't know what this is. And then we got omelette and potato salad. Everything is good except that one black one, but those who like it, I'm pretty sure they will think it's good as well. And then we have katsu, chicken katsu maybe. Gotta be chicken katsu. And this is fresh. The panko, the breadcrumb, It's super duper crunchy. It's unbelievable. Wow. Perfectly fried. Crunchy. Mmm. Miso soup has a lot of ingredients. Amazing. Go my dressing. Open it. Dressing. Okay, and we're going to pour it on top. Okay. That's that. So basically, it is a salad. So I guess you gotta mix. And some lettuce, some radish, some pork, some onion, and carrots. I've had this before. It's actually pretty tasty. It's refreshing because that dressing, it has a little bit of a vinaigrette in it, so it's not too creamy, but it's refreshing. And this thing is served chilled, obviously, so it's very nice. Okay, itadakimasu. Let's take a quick bite. This, and this. All right, big Pepsi. From the vending machine. Pepsi is a Pepsi, it's a Pepsi, right? So nothing too special about this. But I saw a video by Eric Surf 6 about Wendy's first kitchen burger. In that video, he actually ate the jalapeno burger. But today, when I went over there, they don't have it anymore. I guess it's a special burger, promotional burger, only available certain times. So instead, I got me a premium burger with onion, and some patty, bacon, cheese. The bun is extremely soft. The burger looks really good. So I'm excited to try it. So the burger looks just like that. And let's give it a shot.